Ronald Kabuku, chairman w'ekibiina kya Forum for Democratic Change ahabwa district ya KASESE, nagira ngu nka FDC omuri KASESE tibarikwija kwebaganisamu kandi nibija kugumizamu nibarwanisa omuzogu.
We had put it in several conferences that the divisions in Kampala will not stretch up to KASESE. It is the reason that for us as a people of KASESE, in particular that believe in the FDC, we do not believe in the individualism that is at the national. So for this matter, people should not get scared. We have stood our words from day one up to date.
Tugambireho n'abamwe behandikisha kwatira bendera ekibiina eki aha rurengo rw'obwa MP hamwe na mukuru w'entebe ya katano.
When you go to Bukonso County constituency, roads are completely finished.
Land wrangles, and we have always appealed to government to come up and work on this issue of land wrangles.
If you look at the distribution of the jobs that were given during my time, they ran across the entire district. Not like we hear today of jobs being given to particular regions.
We had appropriated 100 billion, and out of that we were supposed to construct 5 markets in KASESE municipality. I don't know what happened to that money.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.